1985's Teen Wolf, starring Michael J. Fox, ended up being a pretty massive hit, so of course CBS rushed into production a cartoon that would air on Saturday mornings starting in the fall of 1986.
Beware, Scott, when the moon is full. Oh no, not again.
It's a hairy situation.
I'll die if anyone sees me like this.
Side note, Michael J. Fox shot Family Ties, Back to the Future, and Teen Wolf all simultaneously, nights and weekends. Don't know how he did it. The show is okay. They redid the wolf makeup so he looks less wolfy. He basically looks like if a barista went to a Star Trek convention. However, the opening credits of the show feature some live-action, stop-motion, super 80s amazingness that I wished the entire show was instead of the cartoon that it actually was.
Hey man, say, don't be shy if it happens to you. It's fun being different if you have a healthy attitude. I'm feeling hairy and my teeth are mean. I got a weird complexion and I want to scream. Teen Wolf coming out to play. Teen Wolf coming out to play. I'm a Teen Wolf. I'm gonna howl today. Teen Wolf gonna howl today.
Werewolf family, you look short, Spot.
The cartoon introduces a grandfather, a younger sister. It's fine. It's fine. It lasted for 2 seasons. But again, the closing credits would every week would have an entire Oingo Boingo-esque song featuring this stop-motion 80s live action with a much better werewolf costume, and it just seems a lot more fun. I need that show. Can we have that Teen Wolf show? I know MTV did one a few years ago, but can we please have this Teen Wolf show, please?